eat good, you have power. You don't eat good, no power like you. You see?
Good morning, everyone. As you can see, right behind me, we got the main man, Dumi. We're here in Rayners Lane. Dumi,
Yes.
welcome to today's episode, my friend.
Welcome to everyone.
The fans, they want to know what's happening today.
They just clean this roof behind me. Pressure washing, surface cleaner, small Mosmatic, which is 12-inch.
And we also going to be doing the patio today, do you think?
Yes, this patio.
Oof.
Can film in. It's lots of wind.
Lots of weeds. So it's a double header today. It's a roof and patio clean. And we got the main guy, Dumi. I'm looking forward to this, brother. I'm looking forward to this. Stay tuned, everyone. The property from the rear. Oh, I spy another LBC legend. How you doing, brother? Good to see you again. Welcome back. The strongest guys in the LBC team required today. The difference there. All those weeds being eliminated. Katie Lee just burrowing away in the background. So we're just having a quick break and play here. We got Dumi here, the strongest man on the firm. He's offered me out arm wrestle. He's basically, if he has to beat me in 10 seconds. If I take him for longer than 10 seconds, I win. If he beats me in under 10 seconds, he's the winner. So I'm gonna go for it, man. The guy's huge. His calves are bigger than my whole body, but you know, I can't bottle it. So a little break and play from the cleaning for an exclusive arm wrestle. This is an exclusive. And we're gonna arm wrestle on an LBC cleaned bin. Makes it that even more special.
Let's get ready to rumble! Let's get ready to rumble!
one and only Digo Double G.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm secretly gutted. I thought I'd win, but where'd you get the power from, man? Where's it from? Natural?
Natural.
Just
Yeah.
good.
When I was young, I working very hard, and
And now you're adult, you're working hard.
now I working hard just with the brain.
He just hard work. That's where you get the power from. So gutted though, gutted. Well played, well played.
Thank you, thank you.
I thought I could go 12 seconds, 15 seconds.
Maybe next 2-3 years,
You know what?
if you eat more,
Eat more.
eat
Pork.
more. Pork.
Pork, yeah?
Pork, yeah.
I'm gonna train, and I'm gonna train for this, and I'm gonna eat this diet that he's got of organic, lean pork, freshly imported from Romania. I'm gonna try it, and then we'll have a rematch, yeah?
Yes.
1 year,
Next 1 year, yeah. I wait to same place, same time.
same place, same time, man. Rayners Lane. Gonna be big. So Caitlin, he's just finished with the pressure washing, and now he's just going to give it a little rinse off. So it's looking like a new patio already. All those weeds been blown away. Just having a little sweep up, as you can see. That's all the what he's cleaned. So it's going to give a final rinse off. I don't want to sound like a scratch record, keep going on about that arm wrestle, but just been thinking about it. I mean, he's about 8 stone heavier than me, and believe it or not, he's 6 years younger as well. 6 years younger. Got the youth and size, so it wasn't fair. Wasn't fair. So, as you can see, that is the front patio done, looking lovely. Just going to head round the back, and they're going to make a start on the roof. Catalin, well done, brother. Thank you, sir. Great job, great job. This is another LBC exclusive. We're in these stores here, and Dumi posing. Got Catalin, he's getting the gear ready, so that's where it all happens. Keep their gear shiny and new. Getting the Mosmatic surface cleaner, 12-inch, ready for action. This in the trade is what we call
Lunchtime. Romanian lunchtime.
Goat cheese.
clean nutrition.
Yes.
So what is it? Pork, tomato,
Goat cheese.
goat cheese,
Homemade.
homemade goat cheese.
Yes.
This isn't for a factory. This is made by Caitlin's hand.
Yes.
Look at the size of the tomatoes, huge. Now I know. Now I know why I lost the arm wrestle. All fresh,
All fresh.
all
the
organic.
time.
What's that yellow thing?
A yellow, it's ardei.
Huh?
Pepper.
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 Yes.
Yeah.
Green pepper.
But that's freshly imported from
Yeah.
Romania.
Yes, yes.
Because I ain't that's not in the shops.
It's
That's
not in the shop.
Nah, not yellow.
Really?
Not that
Yeah,
texture,
yeah,
not
take
that
it,
colour.
Take it for taste. For tasting. Look. Try. Believe me, try.
Taste test. Romanian organic peppers.
I feel the taste. Cheese with tomato. Very good. Cheese, tomato, and a bit pepper.
I want a rematch, man. Gonna blast this Romanian nutrition away, and then it will be attacking it. They're going to have all the power, all the
Yes.
nutrients.
You eat good, you have power. You don't eat good, no power like you. You see?
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Really hope you're enjoying the content here from LBC Exterior Cleaning. We've got regular weekly content where we'll be showing you the best of our cleaning transformations, and as well as that, just getting to know the LBC team just that little bit better. If you're liking our stuff, please make sure you like, comment, and most of all subscribe. And I'll see you all at an exterior cleaning job near you very soon. Take care, all the best.